Alpha, how are you doing? Let's go. How is your family? How is business now? We thank God, thank God. How is everything? Me, I come to my site, that other building I'm building at the Bachire site. You know this contractor of these days? Yeah. I need to see them and know how they are doing with the building. Please, I beg, let me call you back. It's like something is not going all right here. Where is this site engineer? Where is engineer? Sir, engineer!
Sir, I'm here. Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm
Why
fine,
is this
sir.
thing? See building. See, how many months you have?
Sir,
you are too
sorry.
lazy with this work. I will change you.
Sir, it's not like that. My
See
boys are
places.
behind working.
For how many months I give you this work? Up to now you have never.
Sir,
finished
I'm
it.
so sorry. I'll make sure we do this.
See blood everywhere. This blood is scattered everywhere.
Sir,
like
please,
this.
and we're
How will you
working
do
on that.
things like
I'll
that?
get my
You
boy.
are too lazy.
Usman!
Are you stealing my
Please,
blood for what?
Omidli, come here and get this block
Why
out
all
of here
this
from the
thing like
entrance.
that?
Okay.
If you don't take serious with your work, I will change
Sir,
you.
please, we're working on it. My boys are behind. Before
I
this
don't just
month.
like the way you are handling this
I'm
job.
so sorry. Hopefully next month, yeah, we'll be ready and set for you, okay?
It's
But
okay.
sorry.
Well, Oga.
How are
Please
you?
be fast. Obviously get out from here and do
Abeg,
what you're supposed
be
to do.
fast with the work. Is it the only boy that is working with
No,
you?
some are behind. No, it can't be the only one. I have
Okay,
lots of
abeg,
boys.
be fast with the work.
Thank you
Because
very
I
much,
have
sir.
things, I have things
No
on
problem,
hand.
boss. Please, we've been needing some money to buy some materials to continue the work.
And also don't forget that like this building, I want to keep
No problem, sir.
work on that.
For now, that's just the money we
So
need.
how much in total we talking?
2 million. For now.
It's okay, I will transfer it to you.
Thank you
And
very
this
much,
work
sir.
will be done very, very fast.
No problem. Trust us now. You trust us. We give you our very best.
You have been saying the best, but you are still there.
We'll do just that. Within some months, we're ready.
It's okay.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank God. Mr. Patrick.
Mr. Joel,
Well done, sir.
how are you doing?
Very fine.
How's the family?
Thank God, sir.
Thank God.
I'm very happy to see you, sir.
Okay, what's
Sir,
the
see,
problem?
let me even tell you something.
What happened?
I'm in need
stand
of
up.
money,
You
sir.
are disgracing me. Stand up.
Don't worry,
friends.
wait, listen to me first.
Okay.
Listen to me. Sir, my wife is in labor and she's in the hospital. My car just broke down.
Wow.
And the only daughter, they send her out of school for my school fees, sir. School fees.
Sorry.
This money, this thing we call money, because of money, sir. It's like that. In this life, all the bad things happen to me alone.
No.
Imagine, fam. What do you mean?
Everything happened for a reason.
I went to Mr. Amini's side. He have no money with him. With the rest of our colleagues side, they have no money with them.
So what's the challenge on ground now?
It's just the money I need.
So how much are we looking up to?
Just 40,000, sir. 40.
40,000.
Yes, sir.
40,000. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
My regards to your
Thank you,
family.
sir.
Stand up, Abel. Stand up. Stand up.
Thank you very much.
Stand up. My
Thank
regards
you.
to your family.
Oh, yes,
I will
sir.
come and check on you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
My
Bye,
regards.
sir.
Hello, brother Joel. How are you doing? How is the family? You want to see me urgently? How there's no problem? Okay. In that case, I will be waiting for you at my house. I'm outside waiting for you. Please make it snap. It's okay. Till you come then.
Mr. Patrick.
Mr. Mark, Joel.
Thank you very much
How you
for
doing?
waiting for me. Thank you, sir.
You say you want to see me
Yes,
urgently.
sir.
What's the problem?
Sir, see, let me tell you something. I always tell you that in this life, it's like that. God
don't want
just
to
give you all.
like
Wait,
this, you need it and be talking.
listen to me first. It's
Okay.
like God just give you everything and give me the bad ones.
Okay, what's
Sir, my child, my only daughter, playing with our neighbor. So the neighbor mistakenly pushed her. The child of the neighbor mistakenly pushed her. She fell down. Now she's in hospital, sir.
hard work.
They say this time around it's either life or dead. So it's 50-50, sir.
So what can I do for you now?
It's just money. Just money, sir. Just money.
How much are we looking up to?
It's 150.
Right now like this. Business has been bad with me over to 1 month. Nothing is working good for me after 1 month. Right now as I day now, I'm not with any money.
So you mean there's no money with you now?
Right now like this. Sorry. There is
No.
money with me now.
Make me understand something
Just-
now. As your friend,
Yeah.
as your best friend, I came to meet you. Because why my daughter is in the hospital. So it's just only 150,000.
No,
sir.
it's
See,
just-
I've even sent my card. To tell you the truth,
You
I've even
won't
sent.
understand. business has been bad for me for 2 days now. Truly, the business is bad for me for 2 days now. I'm even trying to couple some things up.
So now,
I believe you will understand me.
no, yes, I understand you, but it's that you don't understand me. That's the main thing. If it's me now, I know what I can do to help you. Me, I know. There's many things, there's many ways I can. If it's me, I can even sell my car to help you.
No, you won't understand. You won't understand.
That's what you have been telling me. I won't understand. Make me understand now.
That's what I
So
said.
it's the only daughter I have. The only
I know
daughter.
it is only your daughter. It's even paining me that I can't help at this stage now. At this stage now.
In this life, you think you have friends while you don't have anybody for
No,
you.
why you
No,
sound
this
like
life,
this? Why you sound like
No,
this?
tell me why I will not sound like this. No,
I'm
tell
not be
me.
helping you all this one. You ever come to me and I never help you before? It's just that I told you that business has been bad for me.
No problem. This is the life now. This is how the life is. This is how the life is now. No problem.
You ever come to me and never help you before? I'm not just like the way you are talking now.
No, it's not the matter. Remember on your wedding day, who danced? I danced more than you. They think it's over my wedding. But you're here talking to me and
No.
see, man, tell you something about this life. No worry. You see that money, we will make
You
am.
see, that's why I didn't like all this kind of.
No be matter say no like see that man tell you back come up for man.
From the beginning, have I not been helping you?
It's not the
Okay,
matter.
can you mention anything that you ever helped me?
Yo, that's what you want to tell me, Abi. Don't worry. You go poor rituals now. That stage go first.
So you are
no.
praying I should be poor.
No worry. That time they come, my brother. You see this life now, turn by turn. Yeah. Now I'll come meet my daughter. I'll come meet her in the hospital. She died. She died. She live. It's God great. But let me tell you something. One thing in this life, eh? Don't forget. We start from small to this level, but make sure say, you know, say you go poor. Just carry a glass, chook like this, all these people. Where come from? I beg you. This life, eh?
For this life no balance at all. This guy has been helping me all this while. Because I didn't have money, business has been bad for me for all these 2 days now. He now look at me as a bad person. Hi. So all the good thing I've been doing for him, he don't even remember even one. Only this one that I failed to give him money now just to be a devil to him. What's this all those things? That's why it's very hard to understand human beings. It's only God that can understand us.